Standard 3 Subject Mathematics Lesson 4 Multiplication Video 2. Children, today we will start with exercise 4J where we will learn about vertical multiplication. Now vertical multiplication means the question you have to arrange it in vertical form. So you have to find the product. Now children, if you have remembered all the multiplication table, then it will become very easy for you to write the answers. Now we will start from one side. We have to start it from one's place. So it will be 3 4s are, it is 12. So we will write here 2 and in 1 we will write in tens place. Now next question, it is given 9 into 4. So 4 9s are, it is 36. So we will write, so 4 9s are, it is 36. So 6 we will write below 1's place, and where we will write 3 below 10's place. So here 2 digits are there, so we have placed it below 1's and 10's. Now come to the next, multiplication of a 2-digit number by a 1-digit number without carrying. Now here the question is given 31 into 2. So we will start from the 1's place. 2 1s are, it is 2. 2 3s are 6. Next is 43 into 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. So the answer is 86. Now next question, it is given 20 into 3. So 1's place, 3 zeros are, so it will be 0. 3 2s are 6. Next, multiplication of a 2-digit number by a 1-digit number with carrying. Now you have to see carry 1. Now here the question is given 26 into 3. So we will start from the 1's place. 3 6 are, it is 18. So we will write 8 in 1's place and 1 will be carried to 10's place. Now we have to multiply. 3 2s are 6, and this one you will add it. So it is plus 1. It becomes your 7. So it will be 78. Now next, 15 into 5. So 5 5s are, it is 25. 5 we will write here. 2 will be carried. So 5 1s are 5 plus 2, it is 7. Next is 13 into 7. 7 3s are 21. 1 we will write below 1's place and 2 will be carried to 10's place. So 7 1s are 7 plus 2, it will become 9. So the answer is 91. Now next exercise 4M. You have to multiply it. So here 42 into 3 is given. Now multiply from 3. 3 2s are 6. We will write in 1's place. Then we will go for the 10's place. 3 4s are 12. Now 12 we cannot write in 10's place, so we have to move it to the 100 place. So 2 we will write below 10's place and 1 will come here in 100's place. So it will become 126. Now here 91 into 5. 5 1s are 5. Then 5 9s are, it is 45. So 5 we will write below 10's place and 4 we will write below 100's place. Next is your 40 into 4. So 4 zeros are 0 and 4 4s are 16. So 6 will come below 10's place and 1 will come below 100's place. Next, exercise 4N. 72 into 5. 5 2s are 10. So write here 0 and 1 will be carried to 10's place. 5 7s are 35 plus 1, it will be 36. So 6 will come in 10's place and 3 will come in 100's place. Now 65 into 7. 7 5s are 35. So 5 we will write here. 3 will be carried to the 10's place. 7 6 are 42. 42 plus 3, it is 45. So 5 will write below 10's place and 4 will come in which place? 100's place. So the answer will be 455. Next come 59 into 9. So 9 9s are 81. So we will write here 1. 8 will be carried. 9 5s are 45. 45 plus 8, it will be 53. So we will write here 3 and here it will be 5. So it is 531. Now children, come to the next topic, that is your multiplication of 10, 20, 30, 40 to 90 by a number. When we multiply a number by 10, we simply put 1 0 to the right of the number. Let us see one example. When we are multiplying 10 into 8. Now what we will do here, with this 1 we will multiply 8. The answer will come as your 8. And according to this property, if 1 0 is there, that 0 will come to the right hand side of the number. So the answer will become as 20. Now suppose we will take one number as, so it is 10 into 8 is equal to 80. Now take us one more example. Suppose we take as 40 into 9. So what we will do, we will multiply first these numbers. 4 into 9, how much it is? 36, and this 0 will be added to the right hand side of the number. So the answer will come as 360. Now the next property, when we multiply a number by 100, we simply put 2 zeros. When we were multiplying by 10, we were putting 1 0. When we multiply by 100, we put 2 zeros to the right of the number. Let us take one example. Here it is given 100 into 9. So what we will do, we will multiply this 1 into 9. It will give you 9, and the 2 zeros will come to the right hand side of the number. So the answer will become as your 900. Come to exercise 4O. Here you have to fill in the boxes, so you have to remember those properties, how to multiply by 10 and by 100, and you have to write the answer. So here 1 into 6 we will write here 6, and here 1 0 is there, that 0 we will put after the number, so the answer will come as 60. Now 30 into 7, so 3 into 7 we will write 21, and 1 0 is there, that we will put after the number, so it will come as your 210. Now 100 into 3. So 1 into 3 we will write 3, and 2 zeros are there. We'll put on the right hand side. So the number will become as your 300.